Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: macOS with Xcode and an Apple ID. Once installed, open Xcode and create a new Swift UI app. This gets you a working lifecycle and scene. Make sure to initialize a Git repository immediately so you track changes and rollback when needed. As you scaffold the main view, wire a simple model and preview to iterate fast. The why? This setup saves hours by enabling live previews, version control, and a path to device testing and eventual App Store distribution. Once your project exists, focus on core features. Define a compact data model and make it codable so you can parse JSON cleanly. Then apply MVVM. You keep your views declarative while observable object view models manage state and business logic. Implement networking with URL session, handling background threads and decoding, then add persistence, core data, or a local file to maintain state offline. As you integrate these parts, run unit tests for view models and services to catch logic errors before UI tests complicate debugging. You finish by testing on real devices, configuring provisioning profiles and signing so you can archive builds for test flight distribution. Once distributed, profile performance with instruments to root out CPU, memory, or main thread jams. Fix issues by dispatching heavy work off the main queue and optimizing images. When submitting, review privacy entitlements and metadata carefully. If something goes wrong, check device logs and App Store rejection notes, reproduce the failure, and iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.